So, we had received 54 MCC complaints in CO office, out of which 36 are disposed and 18 are pending at various levels. Complaint monitoring, that we have received letters, email, etc. from ECI and other sources, total 151. Disposal is 107 and 44 are pending. Now I request our IGP Sahab to give you details on our security arrangements.
And we are deploying around 5,000 police personnel, out of which 1,000 people are from Central Armed Police Forces. The Border Security Force is there, CRPF is there, and 7 companies of Kerala State Armed Police has also been provided. Like our India Reserve Battalion has gone to other states. So we have got 12 companies of outside force. So deployment at every polling station, according to the scale of the polling stations, will be made. If there is a one polling station in a polling premises, there is a scale specified by the Election Commission. In addition to that, there will be circle police officers, zonal police officers, QRTs will be taking the route. So I would conclude that a number of confidence building measures have been taken, and we are absolutely confident that polling will be peaceful, and we will ensure that polling is peaceful.
During these cases, in which 222 cases in which some liquor was seized, the total quantity was 68,028 litre, 68,68024 litre, out of which IMFL is 66,002 litre, 66002. Beer is 1,215, and country liquor is 811 litre. So total value was 5.59 crore. 5.59 crore.